wait before you skip this because I'm about to share something that's genuinely changed my morning routine, and it's all about the gelatin trick. I know what you're thinking. Gelatin is just for desserts, but trust me, it's so much more than that. When I stumbled upon the gelatin trick, I was amazed at how simple it was, just mixing gelatin with water and taking it daily. But the effects were anything but simple. My skin started to glow, like seriously glow, and my nails, which were always brittle and weak, became strong and healthy looking. People often ask me what my secret is, and I'm happy to share that it's all about incorporating the gelatin trick into my daily routine. It's not a product, it's just a simple habit that's easy to adopt. Researchers say that gelatin is rich in amino acids, which are essential for skin and nail health, and I've definitely seen the benefits for myself. I love how the gelatin trick has become a part of my self-care ritual, and I think you'll love it too. To learn more about how to make the gelatin trick work for you, check out the link in my description for a detailed guide, and be sure to check out the pinned comment below for some amazing tips from our community. Give the gelatin trick a try and let's get glowing together. And don't forget to come back and share your own experience with the gelatin trick in the comments.